Guys, welcome back to All Things Flower. So I'm super excited about this episode because it is our first market back this year, 2025. So I have two markets combined. We are selling a bunch of tulip bouquets. So here in Zone 8 in Texas, it starts to feel like spring in mid-February, so our temperatures are a lot warmer. So if you're starting up your market and you're wanting to sell tulips, I'm showing you my tulip bouquets and other products and what I sell for market in my market setup. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So we're back at the farmers market. It is our first market this spring, and so I'm super excited to show you what the setup looks like. Just opened at the market and we just had our first sale. So our first sale was a lady who purchased 2 bouquets, so that's super awesome that a lady's first time at the market and she purchased 2 bouquets.
Actually, the body oil, down to the perfume.
Thank y'all so much.
All pink flowers is where you need to be.
Thank you. So for this market, I ended up making 37 pre-made bouquets, and I noticed that the customers were really loving the bouquets, and I only had a few left. So out of the remaining DIY flowers, I started to make bouquets, and I know customers will gravitate towards this because they can see what the actual flowers look like when they come together. With this being the first market of 2025, I was just super excited and so thankful that all of our repeating customers came back to the market just to say hi, just to make a purchase. It just feels so amazing that you can have such an impact on people, on a market, that they will be so excited to just welcome you back. So I absolutely love our customers at the Dallas Farmers Market. Now we're getting ready for next week's market. Hey guys, so it is Saturday morning and the morning started off very crazy. We experienced hail, so I've been up since 4, and I am just hoping that in spite of the weather that this market is just blooming and booming. So we'll see how it goes. Guys, so good morning. It is Sunday at the market and it feels like 39 degrees and it is foggy and misty and it's blowing in on us from up under the shed. It is super cold mixed with the wind. So I am hoping that today is a good sellout day. Yesterday it was just so cold. I was shivering for hours straight and I I'm just hoping that today is a good day. I'm so ready for spring for it to warm up. So hopefully today is a good day and people are excited to purchase some tulips. So here's an update. I ended up making bouquets out of the leftover flowers, and I did not make a sale until after the first hour of the market. And so I actually ended up making $400 just by making some extra bouquets in 1 hour. So $400 in 1 hour was made just by making some extra bouquets out of the leftover flowers. And I was a little bit worried because I did not make a sale the entire first hour of the opening of the market, and you guys, I ended up just making over $400 within the hour. This has been such an exciting week. So I started off the week with a wedding, and it turned out super gorgeous and amazing. And after the 2 markets, we have our spring planting to get done. So if you're wanting to start a back to Eden garden or growing wood chips, we're in such a hot climate here in Texas that we decided to do a back to Eden garden. So this is our new garden, and we are planting inside of the wood chips because they hold in more moisture. So if you want to know more about growing your back to Eden garden or how to plant your fruits, flowers, and veggies, stay tuned to our YouTube channel, and I hope you guys subscribe. And as always, I'm wishing you guys peace, love, and flowers. See you guys in the next video.